Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share details about ZPZ trading platform, your ultimate gateway to profitable trading. And yes, there is comprehensive real-time option. We are going to share each and everything in a fully pure educational purpose base. If you are new on the channel, you can subscribe, press the bell icon, and do your proper research before making participation. Because we are not your financial advisor, this whole video contain educational purpose content. When you will come on the easy peasy trading platform, then you will also check successful real-time option data flow. There is 50 plus custom indicator, and you can join them on Discord as a member, and then you will be given unique features to get experience as a community trader, and there you can easily get fully independent exclusive trading platform. We are also going to share here about their native token, that is ZPZ. ZPZ, that is more than just a token. Where this token is going to be used, we have to see it first. And here you can also check in their white paper, where you need to understand with the complete details about ZPZ. There is also the zipline audit has been done, and there is 20 billion total token supply, and 2026 January this is going to launch. And according to the VN and mission, you can find about the ZPZ coin is the native currency of easy peasy trading platform. And yes, here you can easily get their mission and core utilities, where like there is fixed pool for APY 17%, 9%, 4%, and governance with the complete priorities as security purpose and premium access. ZPZ token is going to be used. This is where token will be used like NFT and reputation. There is community incentive for the payment gateway as mentorship. You are going to get this token ZPZ on ERC20 base, with the percentage of supply have been shared here. Actually, you are going to get these details, that is also helpful, and you can also get the help how this is going to be allocated. Everything in the tokenomic have been shared. And pre-sale distribution, you can come on the pre-sale, that is also live now as a historical opportunity. Pre-sale will be, and after 8 days you can easily join. For that, you can connect the wallet like MetaMask to get a ZPZ token using USDT, or pay directly through Stripe Sport, their fiat currency too. And now ZPZ token price is $0.005 and allocated with the remaining token have been shared here. Complete details. If you want to check and want to get the access pre-sale, you can easily create the account on this, and here you are on the interface of a token pre-sale, that is also going to end after 8 days. You can check here time countdown, and you can choose here what method you are going to use, UST, and put the number and connect the wallet, and then you will hold it. If you want to know about the roadmap here, so in this way you are going to join here with the step by step how you will participate, and I have shown you a complete process. If you want to know further information about the roadmap, then there is step by step how public pre-sale in October to December, DX launching, there is initial centralization, everything you can easily get here. And if you want to know about the security, then here is smart contract and everything that will support like their social media links. You can easily join the ZPZ ecosystem, and I have already shown you where this token is going to be used, like their utilities that are the core feature. You have to come and join. If you have any question or query still now related to the project, you can ask, and this is something unique you are going to experience here.